Today we are going to discuss a new concept from organization behavior, that's quality circle. All of us know that people are the greatest assets of an organization because through people all other resources are converted into utilities. How to effectively manage people resources? There is a lot of managerial theories and practices have been developed to answer this issue. Quality circle is a technique which aims at building people, developing them, creating genuine interest and dedication to their work to improve quality, productivity, and cost reduction. The quality circle concept actually provides an opportunity to the employees to use their wisdom, their creativity, and experience for bringing in improvements in the work. There is an interesting quote by Tony Buzan, a brain expert. That is, your brain has about 100 billion cells, and each of which is connected directly and indirectly to 20,000 other cells. So mathematically, that the number of ideas and thoughts that you can generate is 100 billion to the 20,000th power. It is equivalent of the number 1 followed by 8 pages of 0 line by line. Imagine it. So the number of thoughts that you can think is greater than the number of molecules in the non-universe. So you are a potential genius, right? I just got this line just because we have to know how creative each human being is. Everyone is creative. Creativity is natural. It's spontaneous characteristics of positive individuals. I'm coming to the point that as companies that create a positive working environment receive a steady flow of ideas from everyone. And of course, you have to remember one fact that each person is a potential genius in at least one area. So I'm repeating the fact that everybody is inherently creative. It's a tool provided by nature to man to ensure survival and to deal with the problems and challenges of daily life. Okay, let's come to the point. So a quality circle is a participatory management technique that help the employees in solving problems related to their own jobs. So we can say quality circle is one of the employee participation methods, and it is a human resource development technique, and also it's a problem solving technique. Actually, it's a small group consisting of 6 to 12 people who doing similar work, and they plan to meet regularly in order to identify improvements in their respective work area. The concept of the quality circle is actually based on the respect for the human individual as against the traditional assumption. That means the mistrust between the management and its employees. Quality circle actually trying to create a mutual trust and create an understanding between the management and the workers. As I already told you about creativity, right? So this creativity is utilized by the employees, and they converting the challenges or the challenging problems into opportunities. So quality circle is a people building philosophy based on the assumption that an employee doing a particular job is biggest expert of that field, and thus is in a better position to identify, analyze, and resolve the work related problems through their innovative and unique ideas. In fact, it is a practical application of McGregor's theory why. I'm talking about motivation theories. That is, Douglas McGregor proposed two different views about human beings. One view is fundamentally negative and referred to as theory X, whereas the other one is fundamentally positive and referred to as theory Y. According to theory X, it believes that employees basically dislike work and try to avoid it. But theory Y believes that employees like work and working is as natural to employees as doing other activities. Theory Y also indicates that employees exhibit self-direction and self-control, and presumes that employees are creative and ambitious in nature. So we can say that this quality circle concept is a practical application of McGregor's theory. Why? Okay. These are the objectives of quality circle, that is self-development. That is to promote self and mutual development, including leadership quality, etc. Secondly, change in attitude. And thirdly, development of team spirit. And that is quality circle concept actually giving chance to employees to use their wisdom and creativity to encourage team spirit and establish connection among different levels and sections of the employees. And lastly, of course, it will contribute improved organizational culture, that is to improve quality, productivity, safety and cost of reduction, etc. And it also helps to fulfill the self-esteem and motivational needs of the employees, and finally to improve the quality of work life of employees. Okay, next is process of operation. So there is 8 steps. First one, problem identification, that is you have to identify a number of problems. Second one, problem selection, that is you have to decide the priority, that is which problem need to be taken up first. Third one, problem analysis, that is a problem analyzed by basic problem solving methods. Next is generate alternate solution, that means generate a number of possible alternative solutions. And fifth, select the most appropriate solution, that is in this step you have to compare the alternative solutions so we can easily select the most appropriate solution. And sixth, prepare plan of action, it involves converting the solution into reality. And seventh, present solutions to management circle. And finally, implementation of solution. These are some of the problem solving techniques, that is brainstorming, Pareto analysis, cause and effect analysis, data collection analysis. And finally, these are some of the examples of quality circle movements in India. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you clear the concept. Thank you for watching.